Boom! We have a massive heat wave here in Europe. Now I will show you something what I wanted to test always since my childhood. Can I fry egg on sunshine? Have a look.
We have a massive heat wave.
So, before put the actual egg to the pan, I'm testing the temperature with butter and it's melting. Now the temperature on the sunshine here is more than 50 degrees. I don't know what is the temperature of the pan, but I hope it will be fried and I will eat that. Now my cooking trial is 25 minutes old, so egg being in the pan 25 minutes. The outdoor temperature is now 39 degrees and the nearby pan on the sunshine it's in the about 53 degrees. Let's have a look. So far the actual frying is not happening, so it's mainly like getting dry, but let's give another 25 minutes and have a look then. So I don't want to only talk, let's taste it. Egg yolk, not really good. Egg white, it's like sugar. What a disappointment. This really destroys my childhood dream about cooking in a hot weather outdoors with some temperature energy. My god. Doesn't work. Conclusion. Don't try this at home. It's not enough hot, or you need some kind of black, very thin steel or metal or something, I'm not sure. But don't try this at home. And of course what happened? It was hot, yes, and actually only the liquid part of the egg was evaporating out and it left everything else to the pan and the taste was horrible. But I tried.